Hello students, in the previous session we have discussed how to reduce Legendre's linear equation into a differential equation with constant coefficients. Now today we will discuss few problems on Legendre's equation. First problem is solve 3x plus 2 whole square y double dash plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into y dash minus 36y equal to 8x square plus 4x plus 1. For Legendre's equation, we have the substitution t is equal to log ax plus b. But here we have to replace t by log of 3x plus 2. Then e power t will be 3x plus 2, or we can write x as e power t minus 2 divided by 3. And we have the formula ax plus b into y dash is a dy, where d stands for d by dt. But in the given problem, in place of ax plus b, we have 3x plus 2. So here a value will be 3. Therefore, when we substitute a here, it becomes 3x plus 2 into y dash is 3 dy. Similarly, we have the next formula. Ax plus b whole square y double dash is a square into d minus y. Since a is 3, a square is 9. Therefore, it becomes 3x plus 2 whole square y double dash equal to 9 into d minus 1 y. So using this in the given equation, we rewrite the equation as first term. We have 3x plus 2 whole square y double dash. It is replaced by 9d minus 1 y. So it becomes 9d minus 1 y. Second term is 3 into 3x plus 2 y dash is replaced by 3 dy minus third term is 36 equal to, in the right hand side we have 8x square. So it is 8 into, in place of x we have x is equal to e power t minus 2 divided by 3. So if you replace x in the right hand side, it becomes e power t minus 2 divided by 3 whole square plus second term is 4 into x is e power t minus 2 divided by 3. Then plus 1. When you simplify this, in the left hand side we get 9d square minus 9d plus 9d minus 36 into y equal to, in the right hand side, first term will be 8 by 9 into e power t minus 2 whole square. So when you expand this using a minus b whole square, it will be e power 2t minus 4t e power t plus 4. Then plus next term 4 by 3 into e power t minus 2. Then plus 1. That is 9d square minus 36 into y equal to 8 by 9 into e power 2t plus, if we club the coefficients of e power t, it becomes 4 by 3 minus 32 by 9 into e power t plus constant term is 32 by 9 minus 8 by 3 plus 1. So when we simplify the right hand side, it becomes 8 by 9 into e power 2t minus 20 by 9 into e power t plus 17 by 9. In the left hand side we have 9d square minus 36. So here we can observe 9 is common. So if you take 9 common, it will be 9 into d square minus 4. So in the next step we write it as d square minus 4 into y equal to 1 by 81. So that 9 is shifted to the right hand side. So it becomes 1 by 81 into 8 e power 2t minus 20 e power t plus 17. And we write the auxiliary equation as m square minus 4 equal to 0 or m square equal to 4. Then we get the roots as m is equal to plus or minus 2. So depending on the nature of the roots, we write the complementary function. Here we are getting distinct roots plus 2 and minus 2. So complementary solution is yc is equal to c1 e power 2t plus c2 into e power minus 2t. Next we will find the particular integral. That is yp is equal to 1 by 81 into 8 e power 2t minus 20 e power t plus 17 divided by f of d. So f of d is d square minus 4. So in the next step, to find the particular integral, I will split the terms. First term will be 1 by 81 into 8 e power 2t divided by d square minus 4. Next, minus, if I take the second term, that is minus 20 e power t divided by d square minus 4, plus the third term is 17 divided by d square minus 4. Then it is equal to 1 by 81 into. Here in the right hand side, for all the three terms, we are getting exponential term in the numerator. So we have the formula, if the numerator is e power ax, then we are replacing d by a. But here, when we replace d by a, since a value is 2, if you replace d by a, denominator becomes d square minus 4, that is 2 square minus 4. That becomes 0. And in the next term, it is minus 20. And for the second term, e power t, we have e power t. Since a is 1, e power t divided by d square minus 4 becomes e power t by 1 square minus 4. That is 1 minus 4. Similarly, in the last term, plus 17 into third term is 17. So, any constant can be written as 17 into e power 0t. So, here a value is 0. So, when you replace d by 0, denominator becomes 0 minus 4. So, in the next step, 1 by 81 into, here first term denominator 0. So, we have the formula 8 into t into e power 2t divided by f dash d. So, your f dash t is derivative of d square minus 4, that is 2d, minus second term 20 into e power t divided by minus 3. Then last term is plus 17 divided by minus 4. That is equal to 1 by 81 into, so after simplifying the first term, it becomes 2 into t e power 2t plus 20 by 3 e power t minus 17 by 4. So this is a particular integral. Now we write the complete solution as y is equal to complementary function plus particular solution. So y is equal to c1 e power 2t plus c2 e power minus 2t plus particular integral is 1 by 81 into 2t e power 2t plus 20 by 3 e power t minus 17 by 4. And for Legendre's equation, here we are taking substitution for t as t is equal to log 3x plus 2. So in the final solution, we have to substitute back for the variable t. T means log 3x plus 2. So the final solution becomes y is equal to c1 into 3x plus 2 whole square, because e power t is 3x plus 2. So e power 2t will be 3x plus 2 whole square. Similarly, second term plus c2 into 3x plus 2 power minus 2. It is t to the power e power t power minus 2. Then plus 81 into 2 log 3x plus 2 into 3x plus 2 whole square. Then plus 20 by 3 into 3x plus 2 minus 17 by 4. So this is a solution of the first problem. Now I will explain one more problem on Legendre's equation. The problem is solve x plus a whole square into y double dash minus 4 into x plus a into y dash plus 6y equal to x. This equation is of Legendre's form, but here in the given equation we have x plus a. So we are taking substitution as t is equal to log x plus a. Then e power t is x plus a and x becomes e power t minus a. And we have the formula ax plus b into y dash is a dy, where d stands for d by dt. In the given problem, a value is 1 because it is of the form ax plus b. In place of a, we have 1. So, if you replace a by 1, it becomes x plus a y dash equal to 1 into dy. That will be dy. Similarly, in the next formula, ax plus b whole square y double dash is a square d minus 1y. And we have a value is 1. So, when you replace a square, it becomes 1. So, it will be x plus a whole square y double dash equal to 1 into d minus 1y. That is same as d minus 1y. Now, substituting this in the given equation, the equation becomes First term is x plus a whole square y double dash. It is replaced by d minus 1y. So first term becomes d minus 1y. Similarly, second term minus 4 into dy plus third term 6y equal to, in the right hand side, we have x in the given equation, but x is e power t minus a. So when you replace x by e power t minus a, right hand side becomes e power t minus a. Now when simplifying this, we will get d square minus d minus 4d plus 6 into y equal to e power t minus a, or it is same as d square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to e power t minus a. Now to find the solution for y, we will find complementary solution as well as particular solution. So first we write the auxiliary equation as m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. Now we can find the roots by factorization method. We write it as m square minus 2m minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Or that will be m into m minus 2 minus 3 into m minus 2 equal to 0. So we are getting factors as m minus 2 into m minus 3 equal to 0. Then the roots are m equal to 2 and 3. So here we will get distinct roots. So we write the complementary solution as yc is equal to c1 e power 2t plus c2 into e power 3t. Next we will find particular integral. Yp equal to e power t minus a divided by f of d. So f of d is d square minus 5d plus 6. In the right hand side, if I split the terms, that will be e power t divided by d square minus 5d plus 6, and second term is minus a into e power 0t. Because a is constant, we can write any constant as k into e power 0t. So it is a e power 0t divided by d square minus 5d plus 6. So in both the terms we have exponential function. So we are replacing d by a to find the particular integral. But in the first term, a value is 1. So it is of the form e power at, coefficient of t is 1. So a value is 1. But in the second term, you are taking a as a into e power 0t. So here a is 0. So we replace d by 0. Now it becomes e power t divided by 1 minus 5 plus 6 minus a divided by 6. That is same as e power t divided by 2 minus a by 6. Now we are getting particular integral as yp is equal to e power t divided by 2 minus a by 6. Finally, we write the complete solution as y is equal to yc plus yp. That will be y is equal to c1 e power 2t plus c2 into e power 3t plus e power t divided by 2 minus a by 6. But in the beginning, we are taking substitution for t as t is equal to log x plus a. Then finally, we have to substitute back for the variable t. So we are getting solution as y is equal to c1 into x plus a whole square plus c2 into x plus a whole cube plus x plus a divided by 2 minus a by 6. So this is the solution of second problem.